Carrot Jr. Why you are always fighting with Kimot? Carrot Jr. Carrot Jr., come here. Car. Car, look at me. Carrot Jr. Carrot Jr., look at me. Why are you always fighting with Kimot, huh? Kimot is your cousin. Why did you do that? Ouch! Ouch! You're so mean. I'm just only asking you, huh? You keep fighting back. Why did you do... Ouch! Why did you do that, Carrot Jr.? You're so very strict cat. Why did you do that? Mean cat. Mean cat. Such a mean cutie cat. You're now a vehicle. Car. Because your name is Carrot Jr. Also known as Car. Car. Carrot Jr. Carrot Jr. Car.